Morning, guys. It is March 26, 2025. And I got a call from a guy. I guess I worked for his mother. She had referred me. I guess he's got a gas boiler over there. He hasn't had heat for a couple of weeks, he said, and now it's making a burning smell down there. He says it doesn't seem to be working right. You can smell something burning down there. I don't know what that's all about, but I'm gonna go by and see if we can find out why his heat's not working and get it going for him. Never a dull moment.
For the outside unit,
yeah.
I only took it off recently, so I don't know if I had taken it off too soon.
What about this carbon monoxide detector? How come you got this off? Was it beeping?
It was beeping.
You got to change the batteries, or you might have to change the unit. Okay. Is that a smoke and combination, smoke and carbon?
I think that was a smoke and carbon,
it? Did you change the batteries?
I changed the batteries and it kept beeping.
You got to replace it.
Yeah.
Man. There might be 2 or 3 of them, because these are combination ones.
Yeah.
But they're not connected. See, this red wire will be connected. You need to get some more. You just can't take them out. Can you get another one and put it in there?
Yeah, you know, I think I
You can't just leave it out.
Okay.
Is there more than one?
There's I think the rest of the house is just fire alarm.
Okay. What you might want to do is replace them all. They're only good for like 4 or 5 years, and they start giving you issues. Go on Amazon, see how many you need, and just order them and put them in. I mean, because that's something you could do?
Yeah.
I mean, it's not something you want to play around with in case you have a problem, right?
I think maybe
Alright, I need to change the thermostat upstairs, but I could jump it out down here. He says it was making a smell, a burning smell. You can figure out what the fuck. See what's going on here with this thing. I wonder what the flame sensor looks like. If I can even get to it. Could be the motor. Yeah, she's dirty. The flame sensor's dirty for sure. The flame sensor's dirty for sure. We gotta clean that right from the get-go. Could just be the motor, the fan motor, capacitor or something is bad. That might be what you're getting the burning smell from. The motor's cooking. You know how dirty that is. It's freaking pretty dirty. She's pretty dirty. Can't just disconnect shit if it's beeping. Not a good idea. Could just be a thermostat. Thermostat's not, I can't adjust it up or down. It's just needs to be replaced. I could jump it out down here for now and see if it works. Clean that for now. Get it different. It's got a little magnet on it. Works better. And check the capacitor before we even start it. Could be the motor cooking away. Fan motor. exactly. Let me check the capacitor here. The flame sensor in there needed to be cleaned for sure, so.
What is it?
There's a flame sensor in there that I just cleaned.
Okay.
What do you got there? Smoke alarm?
This is a monoxide.
Carbon monoxide. Yeah, we could put that in.
Yeah.
I'm more concerned about the smoke down here. Smoke alarm. You need to replace that.
No.
So they stop beeping like that, and you change the battery. It's the smoke detector. You want to get a combination smoke? I might have one in the truck.
That's great if you
You'd
have
rather have
one.
me put it in?
I was just looking on Amazon at ones there that are hardwired. But what I was thinking was the reason I took that one out was that I replaced the batteries and it was still beeping.
Yeah,
so I thought it had something to do with something wrong with the hardwire part of it.
No, it's defective. I mean, the shit's it's got like a memory. It's only good for so long, and then it's gonna start.
Okay.
It's gonna start acting up, so you buy a new one.
All
But if you got that one, we could just use that one for now. I'll screw it in the wall somewhere. As long as you got something. I'm gonna check this capacitor. This capacitor might be bad. And giving off making the motor hard to start.
To the other thing.
I worked for your mother, you said?
Yeah, you came to her house and
you got some.
You did some. I think with her.
Stink bugs.
Her
Do you change the filters?
Yeah. I just put a new filter in not too long ago.
Alright, this might be what our culprit is for the smell. We'll find out. What are you, an artist?
Yeah, but only part-time. I do video editing for different websites.
Alright, so
because
it's
everything's
15.
media today.
That's a 15. We'll see what we're at here. If this is bad, you'll give the motor a hard time starting, and that could be what you're smelling cooking is the motor.
Yeah.
That's not good, because you're kind of cooking the windings.
Yeah.
That's like your brain on that Lipitor shit. It kind of fries you. No, it fries me. Try to put me on that shit, and it's like I can't even think straight.
I'm in
that cholesterol lowering shit. It's like fuck. I don't want it. I'm not taking it.
I
can't even think.
I've been trying to lose weight this past year.
Yeah, you can pass.
I had to go to the doctors,
14.
and they were like, "Would you like to do Ozempic?" And I was like, "No, I didn't want to take any."
Well, you know they say 70% of the people that started that, they end up stopping it.
Yeah.
70%.
That's a lot.
That's a lot.
That's almost everybody. Yeah, that's like what is that word? Efficacy. Like not many people.
I wouldn't take that unless you have to. You know why? It slows down your motility, your gut. Then next thing you know, you won't be shitting.
Right.
Yeah, it's a little weak.
Like,
it's a little weak at 14.3. We're gonna put it
on. It gets you more out of whack.
Yeah. Yeah, we gotta change that capacitor. It's a little weak. Yeah, you don't want to take that shit unless you have to, guy. New cap there. Should be 15. $15.46. That's better. That's weak. That could be an issue with letting the motor start. Which we don't want that.
And then, I was looking at the unit outside.
Alright, the only reason why you have to cover that is just to keep the leaves out in the fall. That's the only reason why you cover it in the winter. So then you have to take the cover off in the summer before you run it. It's just to keep the leaves out. Nothing.
Yeah.
It don't have anything to do with anything else.
The one thing I wanted, if just to have a look at, was just
Can't do it today. I can't run the unit because it's not cold. It's not hot enough to check the charge.
Okay.
It has to be at least like 70 degrees.
Okay.
I can get the heat going for now, and you'll have to call me back when it gets warmer out, and we can check the AC.
Okay.
Alright, just for now, I'm going to just jump out the heating, which is the red. We're going to change that thermostat upstairs, the red and the white. Just for now, to check it. I did clean the flame sensor. Yeah, I do.
And I meant to go on and just watch you a little, you know.
You're into editing videos. You know what that's all about.
Yeah, it takes a lot
Fucking
longer
job.
than people.
All right, so we're gonna try. We're gonna try
Realize.
turn on the power, and we'll see what happens here. No, I got it all. I jumped it out down here.
Okay.
We're gonna see what happens here. It's starting to glow. It should fire. It's propane. I think it's natural gas, and the fan should come on. We did clean the flame sensor. Oh, loud fucker.
Filters.
Well, every 3 months, 4 months,
okay.
when it's dirty.
Yeah.
Pull it out, look at it. If it's clean, stick it back in there.
Yeah.
If it's dirty, then change it. Alright, so everything's working. I think this blue wire, we could use this blue wire for a common. It's running good now. We can put that thermostat on and it should be fine.
Sweet. Thank you so much.
With no big deal. Combination of the flame sensor and the capacitor and the thermostat. And while I'm down here, I might as well. You want me to put that carbon monoxide detector in?
Yeah, I'll buy it from you. That's
Oh, the one that goes up there. Yeah, I think I have a combination carbon. I think mine's just a carbon. I don't think mine's a fire and carbon. I think.
okay. If yours is not a fire and a carbon, I'll order one. I was just looking on Amazon now.
Yeah, you could just take that.
Hardwire one.
Yeah, just the black wire is the hot wire.
Okay.
That's the one you're going to be concerned about. It might go into the same plug. Do you know what kind you had there before?
No, I got it somewhere. I'd have to try to find it.
Well, if you can get the same exact one, you can just plug it in.
Right. Okay.
That's what I would try to do. Keep it simple, right? Ever hear that saying?
Yeah.
Blue wire. I'm gonna use this blue wire for the common.
And the carbon monoxide one that I have, that little one, you could just place it.
You're better off with the carbon and the smoke.
Yeah.
We're gonna put that blue wire. That'll be a common wire. That'll be a common. Going to the thermostat. I gotta change the thermostat anyway. Let's put the common in there. Blue will be common for the thermostat. That blue. The thermostat wire. It's like the thermostat. You just put it over here. Alright, clean flame sensor, new 15 run cap, and replace thermostat. Oh, I got the doors upside down. That's better. This is the one we're gonna change. This one's got the common wire I'm gonna use. The blue's common. So I got the batteries in the thing too. Got the red with the jumper. The blue's the common. The white's the heat, white the W, yellow the yellow, which is the cooling, and the green, which is the G. I got this on. Heat and oil, and batteries. Heat, automatic, heat on. It's a loud sucker.
Yeah, but you know, like I don't mind that in the sense like hearing it going on and on.
It's running.
And you know, I knew I was having a problem because it just wasn't reaching any temperature. And,
That might have been the flame sensor was so dirty.
Right.
That's going to be cleaned every couple of years. That really needed to be cleaned. So between that, the flame sensor.
Could you show me where that?